The creator of the Street Fighter concept videos you're seeing on screen earned approximately $3,258. No camera, no face, just AI. I'm going to tell you the secrets of making these videos in a higher quality and more sustainable way, and I'm also giving you the master prompt for free. But first, let's go to Gemini to start producing our content. To launch the bot trained with the master prompt, simply type "Start" in the chat. When you answer the questions that appear, including the characters, scenes, and actions you want in the output, it will give you 3 image prompts and 3 image-to-video conversion prompts that are perfectly aligned with your requests to bring the action moment to life. To access this master prompt-trained Gemini gem, or the master prompt itself, you can join our Telegram group for free via the link in the description and access all prompts in the master prompts room. After Gemini produces our prompts, we first copy our first generated image scene prompt and go to the OpenArt website to start production. After clicking on the Create Image tool in the side menu on the site, in the menu that opens, we first click on the Model Selection section at the top and select Nano Banana 2 as our image production model, then paste our first scene prompt that we copied into the prompt section right below. Since this content is in horizontal format, we select 16:9 horizontal format and 1K resolution from the output settings and click the Generate button. The generated image will come out like this. We check it and save it. After creating our image, we go back to Gemini to copy our video prompt and copy the first video scene prompt. Then return to the OpenArt website, and this time click on the Frame to Video tool from the side menu. In the panel that opens, we first select Kling 3.0 as our video production model to get a both realistic and cinematically high-quality output. Then we drag and drop our first generated image scene into the start frame area. We paste the video prompt we copied into the video prompt section right below. Turn on the audio settings, set our output settings to 8 seconds video duration and 720p video quality, click the Generate button, and wait for our result. Throughout the entire process, you can use higher quality or more budget-friendly AI models based on your budget and preferences. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here's what the first scene of our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.